Hey everybody, welcome to T-Boy Cooks. I appreciate you joining. Folks, today we're going to be doing some chicken wings on my gas grill, and I've got a brand new accessory that's going to really come in handy helping me keep from getting flare-ups cooking chicken. Y'all stick around, it's going to be good.
T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, cooking up some barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with a beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
Alright guys, the folks over at True Wave sent this to me to check out. They actually sent me another one. Easy, juicy, golden brown, prevents flare-ups, 100% stainless. It's 302 stainless and it's dishwasher safe, folks. Healthier grilling. This is how they package it. Got your little steps to getting grilling and stuff. Tells you how to operate this baby. Let me get all this stuff pulled out. Oh, yeah, it's a little cleaning tool and the grill itself. Let me get the stuff off here and I'll show you exactly what they look like. Alright, here is the True Wave grill. It's sitting on my grill grate. Let me back you out so you can see. So I got my gas grill here. And this thing is actually pretty cool. It cooks by using convection heat. If I tilt this a little bit this way, I think you can see my fingers down here. Hopefully you can see that. I don't know if you can or not, but there's in between these channels there's open space. Maybe you'll see it easier this way. There, see? You can see the heat can go through these channels. And since it's on an angle, the grease drips down. You know, if the grease is dripping from here, it'll drip straight down, hit this, and go into this channel down here. And each of these have channels. You can see the first channel right here. So that's where your grease gets trapped, and that's what prevents the flare-ups. You also have this cleaning tool. This cleaning tool is 304 stainless, and I don't know if you can see the tip end of it, but it is designed to fit precisely in that groove. And once you're done cooking and it's cooled off, come through here, push all your grease out of each one of these, just like so, man. Very easy cleanup on this thing. Let me get my gas grill fired up and we'll put some chicken on for you. I just want to show you a comparison. I've been using this one on the left side here for approximately 4 months, 3 months, something like that. So you can see it gets seasoned up eventually, but when you first get a brand new one, and prior to cooking on it each time for, you know, a good handful of times or so, spray it down a little bit. Put you some, or get you a paper towel with some oil on it, and just rub that. That way you're, might as well go ahead and spray this one too. Anyway, that'll help season it, and it'll help prevent your food from sticking. All right, there's my chicken wings, straight from the store. They've already been seasoned with some barbecue seasoning. Just as good measure, I'm just gonna spray and put a little bit of oil. Let's throw these things on the grill, see what they're going to do. Now my grill is, it's like on a medium. These are not going to be, you can't treat these like grill grates or some other high-end, you know, cast iron grates. These are not made for searing. These kind of grates, those True Waves, are made for low and slow. Think about it that way. You won't get a good sear is what I'm saying. If you want to get a good sear on a ribeye or something, cook it on here until it gets to the internal temp of about 121, 122, and then directly sear it over a hot flame on your grill. I'm just going to load this baby down pretty good. Alright, and these other stragglers I'm just going to throw on my grill, the True Wave that I've been using for several months here. Alright, we're just going to let these babies cook, see how they do. Alright, we've been going about 8 minutes. Time for the first flip. Let's see how we're doing. Oh yeah. There we go. It's looking nice so far. And I think I mentioned earlier, but if I didn't, again, don't get these hot. I mean, super hot. I would say max temp that you want to cook on these is maybe 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Anything higher than that, and the grease that does get down in these traps, it will flare up on you. Okay, so this is more of a slower type cook, but Again, when you're cooking chicken or a nice thick ribeye with fat on it and everything, well marbled like y'all know I like them, you're not going to have to worry about flare-ups. I can shut the lid on this thing, walk away, and come back and check it in 8 minutes or 10 minutes or whatever, and I'm not going to have to worry about flare-ups, folks. My grill is set on medium, and we're just cooking probably close to about 350 right there. So we'll check back after these get closer to being done. Alright guys, we've been going about 35-40 minutes or so. These should be getting pretty close. And one thing I am noticing, the chicken that's on this seasoned True Wave, the chicken is looking much better. I mean, it has a nice, really nice color. Really nice color. Much more so than the one that's not seasoned yet. These up here and anyway. I think these are probably pretty close. I'm fixing to take me a temp real quick. I just wanted to flip them over and show you what they're looking like after about 40 minutes or so. Yeah, you can see the difference in the color between these and these that were on the seasoned True Wave. So, and again, I've had this one over on the left for about 3 months, 4 months, something like that. I've been using it. We need to check temp. Got my handy dandy thermopan. Let's check right down in here in the middle. Oh man, look, 200. We overshot. 177. All right, folks, I'm gonna pull these off and we'll give them a taste. Let them have a rest after about 5 minutes or so, then we'll taste them. All right, guys, I got one of these that we did on the brand new True Wave. As you can see, I mean, it's got some color, but the one that's the True Wave that was seasoned put a lot more color on the chicken. So that's just how the puppy rolls. Let's go ahead and let's try this drumette and give it a shot. Folks, that's pretty good for a store-bought. So, final thoughts. I have been enjoying the True Wave for 3 or 4 months, as you saw. And it does season up really nice. I mean, it's stainless steel, 304 stainless, but it does season kind of like a cast iron skillet would. You know, it gets better the more you cook on it, okay? As y'all can see in the color of the chicken skin at the end there. The flavors, man, the flavors are really, really good. It's just convection heating straight from your grill up through the True Wave. And it does something, I guess it's like cooking in your convection oven. I don't really know. I don't really use my convection oven a whole lot. But the skin's always turning out really nice. I mean, the fat from the back of the side skin, fat from the back side of the skin is always rendered out real nice. And it leaves the skin crispy. And the skin itself, I guess as it's rendering that fat, really puts a lot of juice into the meat of the chicken. So the chicken is, every time I've cooked chicken on the True Wave, it's been fantastically juicy. And the skin has been right on the money. You get them, Fifi. She wants to be on video, folks. She's a movie star. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed that. TrueWaveGrilling.com. Thank you so much for sending me out one of these to review for you. I appreciate it, and I'm definitely using it. I haven't used it on the charcoal grill, which I'm going to. So y'all look forward to that video. Be sure and check out the links down below. Just hit show more. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me some thumbs up. If you're not subbed, please go ahead and subscribe to Old T-Roy. I'd appreciate it. Hang on. Y'all know what comes up next. Folks, if you like this, give me a thumbs up. Hope you share the video. When you do, please tell all of your friends that T-Roy cooks responsibly. Cheers, everybody. We'll see y'all next time.